The English countryside, fresh air, peace and quiet. Almost. And the downside, no usable internet. Just a slow connection through old copper telephone wires. But wait, what's this?
Ready when you are, Danny?
Yeah, 2 seconds.
Trooli have been quietly and discreetly building new internet infrastructure. Fibre cable follows in the footsteps of old copper wire, giving these long-standing telephone poles more sustainability. Fibre optic cable does not have the shortcomings of telephone wires or television coaxial cable, so the key to internet performance is to bring the fibre all the way inside the premises. With careful connection to a box outside and a neat installation inside. The result speaks for itself.